Wahala dey for Wike and his 27 Rivers lawmakers. Cause reject 27 Rivers lawmakers evidence. Judge allows only cross-examination in defection case. The Federal High Court sitting in Port Harcourt, presided over by Justice Emmanuel Obili, has delivered a ruling brought by the Labour Party against the Rivers State House of Assembly and others. The suit seeks to declare the seats of 27 lawmakers who allegedly defected from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the All Progressives Congress vacant. During the ruling, Justice Obile rejected the applications by the first defendant, Rivers State House of Assembly, second to 28 defendants, 27 lawmakers, and 29th defendants, PDP, which sought the court's permission to call oral evidence and file pleadings. The judge held that the defendant failed to establish any conflict in the fact contained in the affidavit before the court to warrant granting the applications. However, in a partial concession under Order 27-1 of the Federal High Court Rules 2019, Justice Obile permitted the cross-examination of the opponents to the affidavit supporting the amended originating summons and the counter-affidavit filed by the defendant, given the inability of counsels to agree on a hearing date. The court fixed March 11, 2025 for the hearing of the amended originating summons. Why this long period of time? Why can't they settle these people once and for all? Their journey is still far. The Labour Party, through its caretaker chairperson in Rivers State, Ida Dokubo, filed a suit seeking to compel the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to conduct by-elections to fill the allegedly vacant seats, allowing the Labour Party and other parties to participate. Counsel for the claimants, Clifford Chukwu, emphasized that the lawmakers had publicly announced their defection on various media platforms, including Channels television and TVC, and even the post to affidavits confirming the move. He argued that the actions constituted a voluntary relinquishment of their seats under the law. On the other hand, counsel for the defendants, including senior advocates Ferdinand Obi, SAN, and J. Musa, argue for the court to allow pleadings and oral evidence, stating that the issues were contentious and could not be resolved based on affidavits alone. In a separate but related case, Justice Obile had earlier adjourned to December 7, 2024 to hear a matter filed by Victor Okojumbo and 3 other assembly members loyal to Governor Sim Fubara. They also seek to declare the seats of the 27 lawmakers vacant and prevent them from parading as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Now that the case has been adjourned to March again, and Wike has already made us to understand that the salaries and allowances of these 27 lawmakers by Fubara has been seized by Fubara. So this meaning that these guys are just floating. Wike is tired of paying the 27 defected lawmakers loyal to him in his peace. My happiness is that they are regretting in pain and hunger. In Nigeria, we keep to laws, rules, and regulations to maintain our democratic priorities. In order to make our democracy stand and last, a law should be established that the seats of any defection or decampi should be declared vacant and never to come back to that seat again, but can recontest. The tenure is almost ending. We have just 24 months to start another election. Better go and meet your so-called boss for Abuja. They should allow the performing governor, His Excellency Fubara, to give Rivers people pure good governance. That is all. Congratulations, PDP Rivers State. If Nigeria is not a plantain republic, how can someone who openly decamped from the party to another and took a further step to swear an oath come back to say where is our resignation letter? We are not even talking about their representatives, but they are alive and still claiming that they said is not true. Okay. There are no more honorable members in the Rivers State House of Assembly. I think that's why Wike is just crying that say the whole world o, make una come see wetin Fubara do o, you don't see the allowance. So does it mean Wike Fubara has that power to do that? Their seats are already vacant, so there are no honorable members in the Rivers State House of Assembly. The 27S lawmakers are in trouble, big time. Affidavit is a legal document, and if they eventually prove that they did not decamp, then they are in for a bigger trouble. Yes, they can go to jail for lying under oath, which also is a punishable offense. Hey, let them go and wash his on Wike clothes and do their honorable in Wike's house. You know, somebody described them as worthless politicians. I think the defection starts from ward level, and the letter to the effect will be to be given to ward chairman. But this scenario seems to be different. I am even watching this. It's very interesting. Suspense film and how it will end. Let us watch and see.